Hello everyone. Sorry, I've had a nasty flu past 10 days and still not 100%, but I'm feeling much better now and excited to share the best and worst drinks for your health with you today. Are you sipping your way to better health or slowly poisoning your body? Discover the shocking truth about the drinks you love and learn how to make informed choices that can transform your well being. 1. Best choice. Good old water. It's your superhero. It boosts your energy levels. It is an ultimate thirst quencher, lubricates your joints, flushes out toxins, prevents constipation and kidney stones. 2. Best choice. Tea and herbal infusions. Green leaves steep in steam, herbs release their healing power, life flows strong and clear. Example: peppermint tea, chamomile tea, ginger infusion, full of antioxidants, soothing for the soul, a gentle hug for your tummy. Don't add sugar to tea to make it low calorie. Tea also promotes heart health. Green tea promotes brain health because it contains L-theanine and caffeine that can improve focus and provides a calm effect. 3. Best choice filtered coffee. Coffee can make you mentally alert and focused. It protects against type 2 diabetes, liver disease, and heart disease. Don't drink coffee with cream and sugar. If you have a high cholesterol, brew your coffee with a paper filter. It gets rid of a substance called caffeine that can raise LDL bad cholesterol. Fourth, best choice milk. White milk gives us life. Health flows in each gentle drink. Strong and bright we grow. Drinking milk provides calcium, vitamin D, and phosphorus, which is essential for building and maintaining strong bones. 1 cup of milk has more protein than a large egg. Drink low fat milk to get more nutrition. 5. Better choice sparkling water. One good effect of sparkling water is that it can help increase hydration. Many people like to drink sparkling water, so they drink more throughout the day, which is necessary for our overall health. In a world of flat routines, a single sip of sparkling water unlocks a burst of joy and a chance to savor the moment. It gives you a little fizz without the calories or artificial sweeteners of soda. But watch out for flavored seltzers that have added sugar. And remember, sparkling water is different from club soda, which has sodium, sugar, and tonic water. Sixth, worst, any soft drinks. Pick your poison. Warm cola flat now, while syrupy sticky, so please do not drink, drain them. Drinking soft drinks erodes the tooth enamel, causing cavities. They have no nutrients and are loaded with sugar. They have more calories and may increase your body weight. They can cause type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and other health related problems. Seventh, worst, diet soda. People have cult like devotion to the seemingly harmless yet utterly disgusting diet soda. It affects the gut health and also may cause type 2 diabetes. Yes, it is low in calories, but limit the number of diet drinks you have every day. Eighth, worst, energy drinks. One bad effect of energy drinks is increased risk of heart problems, including irregular heartbeat, increased blood pressure, and in severe cases, even heart attack. This is largely due to the high levels of caffeine and other stimulants they contain, like guarana or ginseng. 9. Sip fruit juices sparingly. It is 100% juice. It has most of the vitamins of its original fruit, but all the fiber is left out. Without it, most of what you get from juice is its natural sugar called fructose that adds calories to your diet without filling up. Avoid juices with added sugar. It's okay to have a cup of no sugar added juice with breakfast, but kids and adults must eat fruit in its whole form and limit drinking juice. Fruit drinks are often high in added sugars that can cause weight gain, tooth decay, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease. Sorry. If you just enjoy the taste, add a splash or two to a glass of water. 10. Sip sparingly smoothies. One good effect of smoothies is that they can increase your intake of fruits and vegetables, which are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. This gives you better digestion, better health, and reduces chronic diseases. But store bought smoothies have 400 calories and 75 grams sugar. Instead, make them at home and go light on sweetened adds ons like flavored yogurt, honey, or agave. 11th, sip sparingly sports drink. The electrolytes and sugar in these drinks make them ideal for athletes who need to replenish their bodies after an intense workout. This is important because electrolytes like sodium and potassium play a key role in muscle function and hydration. Actually, all your body needs is to refuel it with water. That's it. Best drinks are those that provide health benefits and help keep you hydrated, while the worst drinks are those that can negatively impact your health due to high sugar, caffeine, or alcohol content. Remember to always consume in moderation and choose drinks that support your overall health and well being. So, what's your favorite drink? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content, including more drinks, of course. Have a good day. Thank you.